Upsquare IoT Groove Development Kit, Arduino Create, Rotary Angle Sensor. You can find this teaching page on Intel Developer Zone. First, go to Arduino Create page. Check your device connect and no other sketchers running. Open Arduino Web Adapter. We will need Groove Rotary Angle sample code. You can find examples from libraries, Upsquare Groove IoT Development Kit. Verify and upload. And open monitor. When I turn the sensor, you can see number changing. In original code, you need to plug that in default. I have changed to D8 gate. When the number is small, you can see that blink fast. And when number be big, the delay time will be more longer.